everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this series of learning Hindi through English, we have reached to chapter 3 and chapter 3 will be introduction of two-letter words. Each and every letter has a different sound. Either that is a vowel or that is a consonant. It is just sound. So we just need to add the sound. So this is A. A is a vowel. We will add M. M is a consonant. Both are written separately. A is under one roof. M is under another roof. Hana? And then we are going to add them. It will become one word. Aam. Aam means mango. Now it is under one line, under one roof. So both the family members are in the same room. Then it will become one word. Okay. So this is kha. We'll add ta to this. It will become khat. Khat means a letter. Ka. We'll add this with la. It will become kal. Kal means tomorrow or the day which is past. Gha, we'll add gha with ra. It will become ghar. Ghar means a house. Ma will be added with na. It will become man. Okay, so the letter which is written first, we'll read that letter first. Otherwise, the meaning of the word will be changed. है ना? So this is ba will be added to la. It will become bal. Bal means force. We have few more words. Let's practice them. Ka la kal, cha la chal, ja la jal, pa la pal, pha la phal, ba la bal, na la nal, ha la hal. So there are few rules that word should be written under one line. There should be a one complete line for one word. So this is the difference between English words and Hindi words. In cursive letters, yes, we do join, but in non-cursive letters or semi-cursive letters, we do not generally join the letters. In the print form, we write the letters as it is in English. But in Hindi, if we want to make a word, the word should be written under one line. So this is the difference. Let's practice the words from the books or from the Google, wherever you can find. Just do that. And if you have any questions, let me know. Write it down in the comment box. If you like the video, please like that and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.